Hi, and congratulations on completing week 2, Introduction to Biblical Prophecy 2. Sorry. Um, this week, folks did a really good job. I'm going to run through a couple of examples. The vast majority of it is if you completed the worksheet, then you did great. If you didn't complete the worksheet, then we had some issues. 99 out of 100 of you did. Within the worksheet, I was looking for a solid discussion. I was a little more lenient on passages and feel that everyone did a good job identifying passages. The key was taking the time to truly unpack what these different components were comprised of and engage with additional passages out of the Bible and outside reading and research. So I'll give you a couple of examples of what I was looking for, if I can do. There we go. So identify literary devices in Habakkuk that make its poetry powerful and problematic for readers to interpret. Demonstrate an understanding of how prophetic literature uses poetic devices to impact its readers. So we had one assignment that was broken into two parts. The first part was, where does the passage demonstrate aspects of deity, humanity, calamity, and prosperity? And it had a key where to look in your reading in Sandy, and you were to do 10 examples. So I did a quick pullout of a student's work from this week that I felt really showed what I was looking for. On humanity, we've got Habakkuk 1:4, therefore the law is paralyzed and justice never prevails. The wicked hem in the righteous so that justice is perverted. Humanity is highlighted, she said, in this verse as it speaks to the consequences of the naked sinfulness of God's chosen people. And that is out of Sandy, showing me that they have not only read the reading, but have tried to come up with an understanding of what Sandy is trying to write. In an environment in which sinfulness runs amok, there can be no law or order. The righteous always seem to find themselves, at least temporarily, overcome by the wicked in this type of scenario. I thought that was thoughtful, concise, and showed engagement with the reading. So that's the type of discussion I was looking for. About the amount of discussion I was looking for, you'll see here that they actually did some research online of different aspects as well. So in the second one, where might this passage create interpretive problems for readers? Record examples of the following potential problems: predictive or poetic, literal, figurative, exact, emotive, and so on. Here's another example from the same student showing literal versus figurative in Habakkuk 3:5. Plague went before him, pestilence followed his steps. Then in the discussion, well, actually it started on the prior page and went forward, but you can see kind of the amount of discussion we have here. They have a footnote from Habakkuk looking at the Bible commentary, which showed that they took the time to see what other scholars might be saying and then engaging with them in their discussion. That to me is an A+ level of work that I'm looking for on all of our assignments. And you'll discover, at least in my grading, I am always looking for outside engagement in reading, engagement with our textbooks, engagement with the Bible, and then an informed personal reflection on what this means to you or how it might be understood in ministry. So those are the components that I look for throughout our assignments and our discussion posts in order to make an A. So that was it. Folks did very well. The vast majority of the class was 95 to 100 on this assignment because I felt it was straightforward and people put a lot of time and effort into making it a solid, meaningful experience. So call me or email me with any questions. I appreciate all the hard work and I look forward to week 3.